lunch again. And tingnan mo yung buhok ko, nakatayo. Magla-lunch kami ng asawa ko on the countryside. Wow, look at all the dust. Sa likuran ng babae. Nagdadrive lang kami kung saan-saan, makakuha ng lugar, makakuha ng contents, and the same times ay makain kami kung saan-saan. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't skip the ad. What's the ad?